Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So it's Christmas Eve. I'm going home to my family now. I wanted to do this early in December. That way somebody would hopefully get it as a Christmas gift, but it just didn't work out that way. We've been extremely busy at the shop, and even now it's hard to have time to put this together. I had to make another email address. But like I said in my previous video, the guys at Boss sent us the equipment at no charge for us to test. So we want to pay it forward. So we tested it. We like the way it sounds. We like the way it performs. So we're going to give it away installed. The only thing we're adding is we're adding a DSP. So we're going to give away the lid kit, front speaker kit, comes with amplifier, plug and play harnesses. So the entire install is going to be no cutting of harnesses or splicing of harnesses at all. And to be eligible, all you have to do is send me an email saying that you'd like to participate. In the email, I just need your name, first name, last name, your email address, year, make, and model of the bike. So this applies to Harley Davidson Street Glide, Road Glide, Electric Glide from 1998 through 2021. So this is going to be this is not for CVOs, this is not for limited, because the issue is you guys have the upgraded audio already and you have the speaker lids with the cutouts. So your lids cannot be recut out to install this kit. So if you want to enter, you can. Just know you'll have to change your lids in order for us to be able to install this. But Street Glide, Road Glide, Electric Glide, 1998 through 2022 actually. If you win, you will get the entire thing installed free. It's going to come with the 6.5s for the front. It's going to come with the replacement grills for the front. It's going to come with the lid cut-in kit for the saddlebag lids. It's going to come with all the wiring. We're adding a DSP and an NVS Audio T harness for the DSP. So you're going to get signal from the factory head unit, no cutting, no splicing. It's going to be 100% weather resistant, and we're going to warranty it. We're going to give our 3-year warranty on it, parts, lifetime warranty on labor, as usual. So you are fully protected. So 1998 through 2022, Street Glide, Road Glide. Send an email to NvsAudio.Contest@gmail.com. So it's NvsAudio.Contest@gmail.com. I'll put a link in the description. And I just need your first name, last name, year, make, and model of the bike. We're going to confirm back that we got your email, and we're going to assign you a number for the raffle. We're gonna announce the winner on, give you guys about a week, so we'll announce it on January 1st. On January 1st, we'll make the announcement. Then whoever wins, you're responsible for getting us the bike. So I guess this makes more sense for anybody that lives in New Jersey. But if it's worth it to you and you want to ride out from any other state, it's completely up to you. We need the bike for a week. We want to videotape the entire thing, so it's going to take some more time. We're going to actually use your bike to show our step-by-step install video of the product. So it's going to help the guys over at Boss improve their install manual, because it's one of the things that they were lacking. So we're going to do a step-by-step and take a ton of pictures. We're going to show how we do it. We're going to install the whole thing, make it factory fit and finish. So we need more time with that. We need the bike for a week. So you bring us the bike, leave us your bike for a week. You get your front speakers installed, amplifier, DSP, speaker lid cut-in kit with the 6x9s, everything 100% free of charge. We're going to give you 3-year warranty on the equipment. We're going to give you lifetime warranty on the install. No hidden tricks, fees, nothing. It's 100% for free. All you got to do is send an email. So share it with your friends, tag people in it. Just all you have to do is send an email, NvsAudio.Contest@gmail.com. Send an email, say you want to participate in the raffle. Let me know what year your bike is. So Street Glide, Road Glide, Electric Glide, 1998 through 2022. It's going to be 100% for free. So if there's somebody that can't afford it or wasn't interested in doing audio, this might be attractive to you, or just a good starter package so you get a good solid foundation. You can upgrade from there. It's a win-win situation. You can't lose. You can participate and give it away as a gift for a friend. Only thing we ask is need it. have a use for it. No strings attached, no hidden fees. Just drop off the bike to us, give us a week with the bike, and you will have the entire setup installed. DSP, T-harness, RTA tune. We're going to get the most sound possible that we can get so you can get the best performance out of your speakers. And then it's going to be nice. It brightens somebody's day for the holiday. So thank you to the guys from Boss Audio. And hope this works out. And I plan on doing this more in the future. Thank you. Have a great holiday. I'm going home to my family now. Talk to you soon. In case you want to look it up, part number on the kit. So from the front fairing, BHD3F. It's the kit we just reviewed yesterday. So that gives you the amplifier mounting plate that uses the factory locations that Harley uses for the boom audio. Street Glide, Road Glide. Comes with replacement grills, comes with speaker adapters, and it comes with the 6.5-inch speakers. And a T-harness, so you don't have to cut or splice your factory harness. And then the lid kit, there's 2 different ones, so it doesn't matter what your bike you have. If you win, I have the appropriate kit in stock for you. So the lid kit is a BHD14 or a BHD98.